Hi there, this is Ronak from agarwalronak.com. Welcome to a new podcast episode where I talk about my experience visiting the DTX UCX Europe 2023 event here at London. Now, before I begin, I know I've not been able to launch a lot of content regularly, but please bear with me because I've planned something big in the future. So, really sorry for that. Now, let's get back to DTX UCX Expo now. For those of you who don't know what DTX and UCX Expo is, their purpose is simple. They help you in your digital transformation journey. So they connect the dots between how you want to plan a digital transformation for an organization and also help you with the right decisions and save you time. There are hundreds of experts who shed light on the path to success. A recent McKinsey report stated that while 8 out of 10 survey respondents say that their organizations have undertaken digital transformation projects in the last 5 years, less than 30% have been entirely successful. So the challenge for businesses is very clear. Digital transformation is inevitable and presents a great opportunity. But a lot of cultural and business change is needed to make it work. Digital Transformation Expo Europe, with its hundreds of expert speakers and exhibitors, shares light on the path to successful digital transformation for your organization. This expo has been running for over 17 years now and spans across IT operations, security, unified communication, and now AI and AI related fields, etc. And lucky enough, the weather was good too on that day. Now let's enter into the exciting world of digital transformation as it starts here at DTX Europe. And to prove that I really went, here is my ID card and a selfie at the entrance. There were a number of sponsors at DTX who had stands and were exhibiting. Some names that I collaborate often with are IR Prognosis, Lenovo, Logitech, Martello, QSys, Ribbon, Zoom, Cisco, and others. Had excellent conversations throughout with a number of people at the event. Impossible for me to cover everything that happened in the event. It's a huge, huge event, one of the biggest here in Europe. But I will explain, or I will especially talk about the experience I've had there, talking to few, and what I got out of the event. So to start with, I had an excellent conversation with the gentleman at QSys. QSys produces an excellent quality meeting room devices. Um, and I think the thing that intrigued me was the integrations and the simpleness they had in their solution. They were building all the backend applications while you just integrate it smoothly with peripherals and across different platforms, which was very unique, very simple as compared to the equipments and the integrations provided by Crestron. Then discussed device as a service offering with Lenovo with a gentleman with lot of excitement while he was explaining all that to me. Uh, Lenovo has uh, Lenovo has now an MDM platform, a device management platform, just like Intune, but that works with Lenovo and other um, non-Lenovo laptops and desktops. Also integrates with Intune and other MDM solutions. Also, he explained about how has scaled their global delivery centers across the globe to also provide managed services to their customers, which was very unique, especially coming from an OEM like Lenovo. Now, next I went to Ring Central, had a chat with a gentleman at Ring Central. We discussed about company's focus, Ring Central's focus, which area they're targeting at, which sectors they are competing in. What I understood was Ring Central is has one platform across for unified communication and contact center, competes with the likes of Microsoft Teams, Zoom. But from my point of view, I think Ring Central is best suited for an SMB market, small to medium business market, instead of enterprises. And again, in enterprises is Microsoft Teams is the king in the enterprise space at this point in time. So that was that. Um, Next up, I went to the call route stand where Mark and Andy was there. I had a chat with Mark in the past, but Andy explained a lot about their solution, what call route can do. Call route is an excellent solution to provision users on Microsoft Teams. You can potentially save 60 to 70% of your valuable time in provisioning, in automated provisioning of a user instead of manually doing it. Obviously, call route had much more than just user provisioning. Uh, to cover that, I'll create a separate video explaining the solutions soon. Next, while going out for lunch, I bumped into Will from Nuvius. Always exciting to talk to him. His company culture. I really like the extracurricular activities Will and his team are involved. Um, as as part of Nuvius, and I look forward to working with them in the future. Then met the IR Prognosis team at DTX. IR Prognosis is a end-to-end heterogeneous monitoring solution, especially on the unified communication side and meeting rooms. Now, if you don't know about them, go check out their solutions. We have been creating monitoring based on our customer requirements. We have been positioning IR monitoring solutions to a lot of them, and in that I've made good friends with Tame and Sylvain, who have always helped me in creating these solutions for our customers. Last but not least, I discovered a very unique solution proposition, especially on the meeting room devices and display. Urban Tech. Urban Tech is redefining how enterprises create and scale their global meeting room standards. They have an evolving range of AV frames, and you heard that right, AV frames or housing that are beautifully designed, flexible, and easily installed and simple to scale. What they do is they create, if you have a video bar or you have displays, single display, dual display, or multiple displays in a meeting room, Urban Tech can create customizable mounts based on the size of the devices. So instead of hanging those devices on the wall, you can just mount them in the housing, and the housing will stand in the meeting room. So it's very simple to install. Most of it is already pre-built. It is shipped pre-built. So it's very simple install for the devices as well. Instead of drilling holes into the wall, etc., you can just use the housing or frames from Urban Tech. Very unique proposition. I'm sure we'll definitely have many use cases for various customers that we work with. Now,
Hey mate.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, good. How you doing?
Good. So you do a lot of, you are into LED stuff, or like what is it that?
So we
Urban
build
does?
frames to house video
okay.
conferencing and collaboration equipment. So the screens and the cameras are Logi, Cisco, Samsung, LG, whoever you want to use. We just build the frame to house it. So it's
Even for mounting and stuff, or just for housing it and?
mainly just for housing AV equipment and video conferencing. So there's a single screen, dual screen, triple screen, display, signage options, mobile systems like this, and you can wheel around, and like open collaboration spaces.
Just the housing part you do, like the building stuff, and then you can mount. You can customize the mountings basically, or the.
Yeah, so you can use any screen you want, any camera you want. You have your AV storage inside the frame as well, so you don't have to have separate racking.
And you see a lot of business in this space, or?
Yeah, we've got some people like HSBC and people like that we're working with.
Because it's kind of unique proposition to have, like building what you do.
Yeah, it is. There's not much else like it out there.
Yeah, I've not heard anybody
It's an
do this.
alternative to, say, just hanging screens on a wall. Rather than getting construction crews in, right? You don't want to build a new wall, you can just put a frame in.
Okay, that includes your collaboration bars as well.
Yeah, I mean, they're not ours, that's a Logitech bar. go. They're not our, it's not our hardware, it's just our frame.
Yeah, no, I understand. I'm just saying that the bars can go into, you don't have to hang them on the wall or, keep it.
Yeah, they can be built into the frame, yeah.
This was my version of DTX UCX. I could only go for 1 day. But DTX is a large event, like I said, it is impossible for me to cover it completely. But I've just made a unique list of sessions that happened, which excited me, which I wanted to attend. So you can go through them. A lot is happening in this industry, especially after um, especially after the momentum on the AI side. So digital transformation, like I said, is inevitable. Every organization is undergoing digital transformation. How you do that is more important, and what is the success rate you have is something that needs to be uh, accounted for, month on month basis. Again, I leave you with some clips that I recorded from the event. So please enjoy. Do like, comment. If there is something interested you want to discuss, feel free to ping me. Thank you.